Hi guys, today I've got another projector to unbox, and before we get into the video, I just gotta say that anytime I use a product in a video, I show you anything, the links will always be in the description for you to check out or buy for yourself. And now let's get on with the unboxing. This is from a company called Happrun, if I'm saying that right. So this projector comes equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and a brightness of 15,000 lux or 500 ANSI. You can also use this outdoors, should be bright enough. The listing states for it to be 4K, natively 1080p, but I don't think it's anything to do with 4K. It has 60 keystone correction, autofocus, 50% zoom, and compatibility with HDMI, USB, AV. You can plug a TV stick into it, such as a Fire Stick or a Google Chromecast, a gaming console, and it should be fine. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. The packaging seems to be very minimal. It's all black with little to no text, and I'm all for it. I like minimal packaging. Nothing else in the box. And this is the projector and a box of cables, I believe. Let's open that up. So this is a generic remote that you would get with any other budget projector. An HDMI cable, I believe. A power cable. And I have quite a few of these HDMIs lying around. Don't think I would need them. And this ancient thing again. A cloth to, to clean the lens or whatnot. This is always welcome. And I think this would go on top of the lens. I don't really know what it's for. I don't think it's for dust, but let's see. And yeah, a mounting clip to raise the height. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and get these foam thingies off. So one of the selling points of this projector was actually its form factor. It's very small, you can hold it in a hand. It's not even that heavy. And the listing claims for it to be bright enough that you can use it outdoors. And if that's the case, I will be very surprised. So yeah, let's see what we're dealing with. And take it out. Okay. All right. I actually love the design of this thing. It's very minimal. These are soft touch buttons. On, off, menu. You go back, multi-directional. Okay. The front. It also has autofocus, so I believe that's what it is on the side, and the lens cover. So I don't think it has like a traditional cover that other projectors have on the lens, but yeah, I mean, I'd never actually use it for my projector anyway, so that's fine. The bottom, I don't know what this is for. And the back, 2 HDMIs, 2 USBs, an AV, and an aux cable port, and an IR receiver. That's amazing. I mean, it has the option for 2 HDMIs. A lot of newer projectors, they don't. So this is welcome, exhaust grill, and that's about it. I actually love the feel of this thing. It's very sturdy in hand. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. We'll set it up and do some picture and sound test. All right. So right off the bat, I'm actually very impressed. The screen is very big for the distance. The other projector that I was testing was actually placed right about the distance that this projector is placed, and it was a lot bigger and a lot more expensive. So I like how it's projecting it a lot bigger. I don't know if that's the case with smaller projectors or if this is just an aspect ratio thing, but yeah, it's actually doing quite well. It's as you can see, the autofocus works great. This is the UI of the projector. It seems to be bright enough. If I don't look back, I would never be able to tell that this projection is coming out of a projector as small as this one. So yeah, I'm very impressed. But I think the right test would be if we could do a picture and sound test. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll see how things are going from there. Okay, initial thoughts. It's very efficiently displaying the colors. It's bright enough. It's actually quite bright. And I think to note that it's being projected right in front of a window, so there's ambient light in the room, and it's working quite well. I am actually very impressed. The colors are amazing. You can see the detail. It's bright enough. The focus is perfectly in place, and I didn't touch the focus. It's all autofocus. So that's actually very convenient. And this picture is completely untouched. So there's no color adjustments or the presets that come with the projector. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a sound test. And at the end, I will show you a clip where I am switching between the different presets. So yeah, this is the sound coming out of the projector.
Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the lights aren't gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calming, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if
Okay, so the sound coming out of it is actually very impressive, to the point that you can use the projector without having to use a soundbar with it. Now, having said that, you can't really compare the sound to a soundbar. Of course, you know, there are major differences, as there should be, but given the price point, given the form factor, this is very impressive. And I gotta say, I am blown away by the performance, the overall package that this projector provides you with. So, you know, for someone looking for a projector, not wanting to spend money on a soundbar, of course, having a soundbar would be better, but if you don't want to, you can totally use without it. And with the picture quality, this is definitely a very, very good value for money. So there you have it, guys. That's my review for the Happrun Projector. If you like the video, if you think this was helpful in any way, please like the video, share it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.